first class traveling from Frankfurt to Hamburg, and yes, I am looking forward to going to visit my friend in Hamburg. The trip should take about like 4 hours. It's quite convenient, and the good thing with taking a train is you can actually get some work done, which is what I'm about to do. But I just wanted to hop on here and say hello to everyone. It's like 7:15 in the morning, and we'll be arriving at about maybe 11:30 thereabout. And like I said, the huge it's so convenient to travel with the train because you can get so much work done. Have a lovely day. I'm about to enjoy this trip, and I'm the only one in the first class. Let me show you. There's no one here in this whole section, so I am going to just be able to concentrate. Let me have a stand and get some work done. So yeah, bye guys, ciao. I managed to get some work done, so that was quite convenient, and I was also able to enjoy some beautiful breakfast on board, and the views were just stunning. It was clear blue skies when we arrived in Hamburg. The sun was out, and it was just amazing.